Blessings. Shout out to the Creative Depot. Listen, and today in this video, I just decided to put the drone in the air. So y'all gonna see a little footage, and then I'm gonna discuss how I got here to help you if you get through tough times and give you an idea of some things that you can do, man, if you're going through something that is a little dark. You feel me? So stay tuned. So yeah, this morning was a horrible morning. Got some horrible news this morning. I'm not gonna discuss it just for the privacy of my family, right? And also just out of mere respect, right, to our privacy. But it was a sad. It's still sad, but this was a sad day. It's February 2nd. You feel me? 2025, and I just needed some peace, and so I have a tool, right, that I use, man, for that peace. And guess what it is? It's my drone, man. And, I often coin it flight miles. Like, I like to get flight miles, and that came from a place that came from me finding out that this drone actually keeps record of those miles. You feel me? So I was like, yeah, flight miles, right? But it's become therapy for me as well. Though you can monetize from the drone and earn income, real estate photos, recording football film for coaches and what have you. But today, this drone, DJI, you brought therapy to the kid. You feel me? It was very sad. I'm still a little emotional, right, about the situation. Still praying for the best, but I needed something to allow me to fly above it just for a second, just to free my mind. And I decided to just get out here and get some stock footage, right? Maybe B-roll, maybe this footage will sell, or maybe I'll just, post it for the park, to have if somebody's interested in renting out this park. Park's pretty dope, They have their skate park, they got a dog park, they got baseball fields, they got a football field, and so it's a multi-sports center, I believe, and it's beautiful. I know a lot of kids and a lot of memories were made out here, and so I just decided, hey, let's do a little drone therapy today, and I put the drone in the air. You feel me? And so, man, I ain't gonna talk y'all ears off. I'm gonna get to the footage, and hope y'all enjoy. Y'all be blessed, and drop a comment for your boy, man. What do y'all do, right? Or maybe you're sad or going through a tough time in your family, or whatever the case may be, or it's life just happens. You feel me? Maybe you lost a job. I'm not sure what it is, but what do you use as a tool, right, for therapy? I know my mentor, she has Legos, you feel me? And I thought about getting back into that, but my drone has been pretty handy for me. And yeah, but I'm gonna get to the footage. Y'all be blessed. Hey, Creative Depot, go out and create something. If you made it this far in the video, please subscribe. Please turn on the notification bells. A lot of stuff is dropping. I probably dropped this video after our ring light rig that we purchased. Man, hey, this joint is fire. I hope y'all enjoy that video though. I love that this ring light. It's nothing that I imagined. I know I used to think different about ring lights till I bought this one. But I hope y'all enjoyed that video as well. And yeah, we out, man. Peace. Love y'all, man. One.